Rachel Mendonça and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Feels so good. Okay, so it's my day off and it's a weekend. It's been a great start to the morning. I woke up at 6:30, did my breakfast, freshened up. I also dressed up for the day today. So like I'm feeling so nice. But yeah, dressing up so nicely and sitting in the house. I'll be doing household chores only, but it's fine. Like mom just called me. I spoke to her. And then she's like, "You're so dressed up. Where are you going?" I was like, "Nothing. I'm just dressed up to sit at house." And they're like, "Don't lie to me. Tell me where are you going?" I was like, "Really, Mumbai? I have to wash clothes now." So yeah, and that is the point of all you guys. मतलब they are there, no? ऐसे मतलब मस्त रेडी होके सुंदर सा दिख के फिर घर के काम ही करना है, बट वो फिर वाइब आ जाती है. एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम फीलिंग, ड्रेसिंग अप, डूइंग माई स्किन केयर, डूइंग like wearing some lip tint, wearing like cute little outfit. And now finally the sun is coming out because I wake up early, right? So sun doesn't come out at that time, but now the skies got clear and like I can see slowly the sun peeking out. So I was practicing for the driving test I was talking to you about. I have already booked my slot, and yes, by the time this vlog comes out, I'll be done with it. I was thinking I'll be done with it with the last vlog, but no, I did not get time to practice. But today I did practice and I got like really good grade and I got 92%. That means I can go and give it. I'm confident with the practice that I've done. Now I'll be washing clothes, but before that I thought I'll start this vlog, give you guys a good morning, give you guys some update. And once I finish washing clothes, I have to do all the household chores only today. Actually Swati is home too, but she's not home right now, she's gone out, but she is also having off, so mostly she'll be back for lunch, so we'll be hanging out together. And then evening I'll be going out to meet Ashlyn. So that's my Saturday plans. Let me first quickly wash my clothes, then I'll be drying it outside because there's nice sunlight, and by evening my clothes will be all dried. That's like a great news, right? And I have another, like, I can't say sad update, because now how much ever shifts I'm getting, I am taking them because it's like I need money. So yeah, I'm doing overtimes also whenever they're asking, even though like I'm doing it like crying, I don't want to work kind of mood, but still I am staying and I'm doing. And also just now before starting the vlog, I got a call and he was like, "You need to come in tomorrow, are you available?" I was like, definitely, definitely. But yeah, that is the update. I will be going to work tomorrow, so I only have today off, so I'm gonna do the most of it, wash my clothes, clean the house, prepare a little bit of lunch, eat that, and then practice like 2 more practice tests for today, and then I'll be doing some resume stuff, and then evening I'll head out. And that will be all. You guys come with me. This is gonna be a really small fun vlog, but it will be an exciting weekend with me. Hello guys, and I am all set to go to the beach. Yes, I told you I'm right and I'm going out with her. So we are headed to the beach just to chill, watch sunset and enjoy, because it's a very nice bright and sunny day. मैंने अपना tote bag ले लिया है and I have like a small little sheet to sit on the beach, and I have my wallet and stuff, all my glasses, took my earphones, everything is set. I'm just waiting for the bus time, so then I don't want to leave too early outside because it's very hot. Yeah, so already that is my cute little shorts and top, and I'm feeling so pretty. मेरे पास कुछ ज़्यादा बोलने के लिए नहीं है, but yeah, I did all the work. My clothes are still outside drying. Maybe I can give you a look of that. Second. See, the sun is so harsh. Over there, my clothes are drying. I leave them and go, oh, something fell off. I have to go and check that. Okay, one of my t-shirt and my face towel is down. Lol. Okay, I have to go and check that out now. But yeah, I did all the cleaning, cooking, eating, and I'm all done. We are first headed to a ramen place to eat some dinner because I've become an early dinner girl. So mostly around like 6 we'll be eating dinner and then heading out. So once I reach there, meet her, and like we are all set with our ramen bowls. I'll catch up with you guys. Okay, so Ashlyn reached and I told her I'm behind her, but I'm walking towards her only, and she's definitely seeing here and there. It's nice to joke with people, guys, but I'm actually behind her right now. Now let's go and surprise her. I just got on the bus when you like told me you're here, so I was like, I have to tell her, say hi. I have to tell her I'm behind you, and then
I was like 360 degrees, I'm turning everywhere behind you. Goes in that way only and decreases.
Why are you eating veg?
Ramen? Yeah. Was it?
You want a bite? But don't worry, even I bought a mat. I mean, I bought something to put on. We can also sit. I had one and I realized that. I was like, I know how kids looks like. I have come here during that fireworks thing. And then I came last time. So I know it has like grass, garden region. And then it has the beach side also. Yeah, it's so windy.
You just sit on the fan.
Mm-hmm. And there is actually the Kitsilano pool, which I'm planning to come soon. And that is me. And this girl has bought a new phone, which she's using to click zoomed in photos of like random things. But yeah, it's very nice. I'm just standing right where the sun is because if I'm going in the shade, I'm feeling cold, you guys. So I'm planning to do something fun with her. You should check out the Instagram because that will be super duper fun. I'm thinking about it and laughing already. So you will see it soon on my Instagram. Right now I'm gonna find a place where we can sit and record it. And yeah, we'll have some nice time over here and see you guys in some time. What is it, by the way?
It's July 19th, 23rd or something. And then the next week or something. Not consecutive days, but like alternate days. I know July 19th and 23rd. There's one day. After that, I'll go for that.
July 1st and until I was doing part-time. sunset time is happening, you guys. Like the golden hour moment is happening right now. It's almost like 20 more minutes and then sun will be setting. Mostly we'll go around the corner to see the sunset. But we have been sitting here for a long time now and it feels so peaceful and there are so many people around. Like finally the summer is back. So yeah, feels good. At the back of my head I'm still thinking it's going to be my bedtime and I have to wake up early tomorrow. But it's okay. This thing never like comes once in a while, so I'm just taking all the feels of it. And we are walking to this lane over here inside. It's very pretty. People are sitting on the corner and it's like very nice. I'm seeing it for the first time. I guess when the water hits on top.
Sorry, not sorry. Sorry, not sorry at all.
Hi, you guys. Just got off work. I am very sleep deprived right now. If you can see, I have like only slept for 5 hours, I guess. But anyways, I am going out again. Obviously it's Sunday and I did not have any plans because I came to work. But yeah, I'll tell you guys once I am like on the way because I don't have any information what, where and how. But yes, I am going out and then we'll come home and sleep again and go to work again. But still, since I like work early mornings, I'm like entirely free in the afternoons, and today I did not do any overtime, also got done on time, so I am super happy about that. Though I'm yawning a lot and I'm like so sleepy, it's okay. I'll catch up with you guys once I am like there and I get some from it, okay? Hello guys, and I am in the car right now and here I have Glenn and Anish is driving and Elima is sitting here. I don't know where we are going. I'm going on this. Oh, we are going to Bridal Falls. If you remember when I went to Chilliwack, I had like shown you guys it's no, not Chilliwack. When we get to Tulip Fields, I saw that. I did not mention about it mostly, but yes, and we are going there. Okay, nice. And there's such a beautiful view right now, so let me show you. Shasha.
I'm not underestimating you. I'm just like I want to see you. Like so hot. The X mark is coming.
And we are finally here. You can already like see the stream over here this side and you can hear the waterfalls. But we have a 15-minute walk to see the waterfalls and it's so beautiful. Like look at it.
Ask them to do a collab with you. Paid collab.
It is such a steep climb, you guys. and I am doing this in my Crocs. I wore this to work and I did not carry shoes because I had no idea that we are coming here. So I can guarantee you can definitely trek in Crocs. Non-sponsored. And now I can already see like mini waterfalls. It's so pretty. I haven't seen a waterfall in such a long time. Feels so nice. The breeze is so it's out of the city. Such a fresh air. Literally like refreshing. Feels good. But it's quite steep, okay? I can really feel the ache in my joints. बूढ़ी हो गई मैं यार, कमर पे हाथ रख के चलना पड़ रहा है. But wow, so beautiful. I give you the glimpse of it once I'm in a place where there's no crowd, because here there are a lot of people, okay? So nice. I just saw it, okay? I was busy talking about something, I didn't even notice it. So pretty. Look at it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look at this beautiful waterfall, you guys. I'm definitely gonna go there. You see what that? Oh my god, oh my god. Wow. Guys, I am trying to race them in Crocs, whereas they have worn better shoes than me. Okay, I reached one level finally. It's so nice. And they're just right there, coming. So nice. Feels good. It'll be worth it when we reach there, when the water just splatters on you. And I'm taking a risk of vlogging this way because look at the next. It is this one where people are literally sliding down, or it's this one, but both is like very steep. So let's see how can we do it. They literally निसरते आम्ही 4 पायाने वसाचे घेऊन होता. Not easy, okay. My phone, please don't fall, and me definitely don't fall. Let's see. आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं. तो कहाँ जाएगी? This is so much fun. Okay, now we finally have a wood log support here. Okay, holding that, climbing up, grip, 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 grip. There. Oh my God, Lord Jesus, save me. Grip, grip. Oops. Thank you. Literally walking on all fours right now. But oops. So close. Almost here. Almost here. Okay. How to go next? How to go next? Anga tong session toche. Anga nisrata. हाँ तुम ही वसा फर्स्ट टाइम इसलिए नेता. Okay, it's very steep. This is very slippery. We have another way here, so we're figuring that out. But I'll have to stop you guys for now. Why? Because others will fall. Thank you. बहुत जाते हैं सर. कोई नहीं. वही मुझे ट्रिक वो it has this thing. हाँ वो था. Wow, the water is already splattering you guys. So nice. So nice. So nice. Ah, my specs.
한가점 가신 거지?
I found a stone to sit. Not easy one guys. यहाँ से नीचे देखो लिटरली ऐसा लगेगा पटक को जाओगे. देखो ऐसा है you will fall then gone case, but we are so close. I can literally get splatters of water now. And finally we made it. Oh my god, it's so nice. Look at that, it's starting from there and then this entire thing, you guys. Let me take you to point 5. Oh, where is that? Point 5. Okay. Bro, ang tanga to natin kan Rainbow Island. Wow. कितना चुपी था ना पानी के मैं लिटरली Okay. मुझे केस पड़ेगा. Okay. We are finally come down. It's not still done, but look at my chappal. My legs are
It was so
amazing. It was very worth it. And my legs are literally slipping front from the cross. Yeah. We almost are about to fall. But finally we still have some way to go, but there is no more water now. It's dry. So let's hope for the best. I was just telling her, if this chappal gives up on me at this point, I am definitely tying Crocs and asking them to send me a new pair. But yeah, now it's not that bad, it's good. Anish is helping Nilima. And we are going down, but it was so nice. I felt so happy, I can't tell you. It just like gave me such a good peace of mind, that water just splattering on you, falling on the rocks and hitting your face. Oh my god, that feels so different. It is like my first time getting this feeling, you know. I'm like first time coming so close to a waterfall, and I can't still express how good I am feeling. I'm so grateful for this, so grateful. We were just talking about it in the car as well. Whatever God has given us, we should be so grateful. We are getting to experience so many good things. So yeah, thank you. I was just praying the same thing, looking at the waterfall as well. And yeah, finally heading down, going down, and then we'll be heading home. It was like a small little drive, and it gave me so much hope, so much peace, and like made me feel so grateful for this life. I'm just gonna tell you guys to do the same too. And yeah, let's stop with the butt work and head down, because I have to be more careful now. Heading up was fun, definitely, but heading down is gonna be that scary too. So let's be safe, get down, get to the car, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Hi you guys, so we left that place and we are here. There is like this very small shrine over here, and there is a church as well, and it's so cute. Look at this place. Look so cute it is. It looks so like, oh my god. That's so nice, and it's so peaceful as well. So much greenery around. You can see the mountain in the back, and then you have this cute little fountain with Mother Mary's statue over here. Oh my god. So happy that we could come here. Ah. And yeah, that is me. Actually, my phone is like totally dead. I charged it enough till I reach home, but then this plan happened, right? And I vlogged so much, took so much videos. So obviously it's like switched off. So I'm like currently vlogging in Nilima's phone. But yeah, I'm so happy. I wanted to just capture and show you guys the trip or road, like the drive to come here was like very nice. It was the same route that goes to the Tulip Field Festival where we went. But yeah, maybe we just missed this and we didn't know about it too. So now I'm really happy that I've come here and I have so much to pray, so much to thank for. I was like asking for a sign as well today, and I guess I will go inside, pray for all of you guys as well, pray for me, and yeah, ask a lot of blessings, and then I'll catch up with you guys. And over here they have all the grapes, you guys, like a vineyard. So nice, you see, I'm seeing it for the first time, like literal grapes. Look at those, oh my god. And we are clicking a few good pictures in front of the shrine, and then we'll head from here too. But it's so nice. It's like this one, I like this place over here, it's so pretty. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I'm heading to work, and look at the sky. It's about to be sunrise right now, and the sky is so pretty. Like look at there. I don't know if you can see. Look at it. This like pink clouds with blue clouds. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Just made my morning now. So happy. Look, I'll show you. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's looking all pinkish. Look at this one. The sunrise happens from like this side only. So that is it. Yesterday I couldn't then shoot anything because I thought the phone, like the car, has a charger, but it did not. So then I did not shoot the ride back, but we got a very beautiful sunset drive. It was so peaceful. We were singing songs and like talking and like heading home. So that was so fun. And yeah, I am up for work now. So mostly I'll catch up with you guys after work, and let's see. Today no plans. I just want to like rest because for past 2 days I've been out and not sleeping very well. So today I'll be just home, cook something nice, and then now go to sleep again. But yeah, sleep better. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in the evening. Hi guys, so I was home. I came home around 3 and now it's gonna be 5. I'm heading to get some groceries because there is nothing at home, like nothing. I've been saying I want to get groceries from like past 2 weeks, and I'm finally going today. I had to make up my mind, and I did not do any list, but I just I'm gonna get like 2 weeks of items because I don't cook that much now because I'm working like 5 days a week, right? So yeah, let's head out, let's do some grocery shopping, and then I'll take you guys. Let's see what and all I can show you. It's very sunny, actually, like very sunny. I literally don't want to head out, so I was waiting ki let it be like past 5, so like the sunset, like sun becomes a little dull and stuff. But this is like in India, how at 1-2 it will be like very bright and sunny on the head, right? It's like that at 4-5 in the evening here because sunsets at 8:30, I mean 9:30. But I have to go now only because then I have to come and rest because past 2 nights I haven't been sleeping well. So today I want to do like a nice long sleep, so I'll be going to bed early. So now I'm heading out, just closing all the windows, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the grocery store. Bye bye. Hello you guys, I am so sorry. I went to the grocery shopping, but there was such a huge crowd in the grocery store as well, and entire like outside in the street, because today is July 1st, it's Canada Day. So I guess yesterday evening everyone came out. It was a Monday evening. I thought there won't be much crowd, but it was crowded. So then I got too intimidated to vlog, so I did not. And I had to just grab a few items, which I did, and came back home. And today I went to work, came back, and it's a Tuesday. As I told you in my last vlog, I'm attending this novenas, Saint Anthony's ka. So yes, today also I have to go. So I'm just dressed up. I took shower and I changed my clothes and all and sat. I'll be leaving in some time. So I thought I'll just come here, give you guys an update, and mostly end this vlog right over here. It was a really fun weekend and I made the most out of it, I guess. I hope you enjoyed watching this one, and if you did, please do like, share and comment. और ऐसे ही मज़ेदार vlogs देखने के लिए do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.